Hey, welcome back to my channel. A premium disc brake caliper assembly with vehicle fitment, compatible with Chrysler Aspen 2007 to 2009, Dodge Ram 1500 2009 to 2010, Dakota 2009 to 2010, Durango 2007 to 2009, Ram 1500 2011 to 2017, Dakota 2011 front left and right, driver in passenger side. Reference number 165055, 5143351AB, 5143358AF, 68002702AA, 68037147AA, 68157611AA, 18B5055, 165054, 5143348AF, 5143351AB, 5143358AF, 68002703AA, 68037144AA, 68157610AA, 18B5054. Specification: brake piston count, 2 pistons, piston size, 2.12 inches, inlet port size, M10X 1.0, bleeder port size, M10X 1.0. The brake calipers are coated with zinc coating, which can effectively prolong the service life. Directly fit, OE replacement brand new brake caliper assembly, including brake caliper, bracket, phenolic piston, installation hardware. Please enter your vehicle information in the top left corner of listing and check our special note before ordering. Buy with confidence, 1-year unlimited mileage quality guarantee. We extremely value your satisfaction and strive to provide you good shopping experience. Any further question, please feel free to contact us at any time. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.